Hey everybody, listen, we're getting ready to make some beef nachos, but as you can tell, I'm not at home. We are in Jacksonville, Florida, visiting with our adult kids, I like to say our babies, and our grandbabies. So, first of all, let me know you'll probably hear a whole lot of commotion at times in the background, okay? There are babies in the house and we're just having a good old time. So it may not be our normal quiet environment, but that's okay. All right, so we're making these beef nachos. I'm going to, of course, put the ingredients in the description box below. Because I am making so much for all of us, then you know, I'm kind of like tripling this recipe. All right, so I have fresh vegetables over here that I'm going to be using. The red, green, orange, yellow, red, green, orange, yellow, bell pepper. I was getting confused because I have this tomato in my hand. I'll need a tomato too. We have some onion. I'm using a large onion and some green onions to garnish with, okay? I'm gonna be using probably about 5 or 6 pounds of ground beef, but the normal recipe, you would use only 1 pound of ground beef, okay? For the cheeses, you really can use whatever cheese you like to use. I'll be using, if you're doing the recipe with the 1 pound of ground beef, you can use 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, 8 ounces of mozzarella, and then maybe 4 ounces of pepper jack, or you can use Colby, just whatever kind of cheese that you want to use. All right, I will have the correct measurements in the description box below, but it's really easy. You just add the kind of cheese that you want to your nachos. Even with the vegetables, a lot of people don't add all of this. So if you don't want it, you don't have to have it. If you want to add some mushrooms to your nachos, your beefy nachos, you can do that as well, okay? And then I'll be using the Tostitos, the original, and we're gonna be using some Doritos as well, all right? Easy peasy. We're gonna get the vegetables sauteed up. We're gonna cook the hamburger until it's not pink, okay? No pink, we want it done. I'll be adding some taco seasoning. If you're using the 1 pound of ground beef, then you probably only want to use about a half pack of this, all right? Not doing any other seasonings because this, you know, this can have a lot of sodium in it, and I think it'll be seasoned enough. If you want more seasonings, by all means, add whatever you like, okay? We're keeping this simple, easy peasy. You know, I normally like to buy my cheese and grate it myself, but like I said, we're keeping things simple and easy because we are not at home. All right? Okay. Is that it? Of course, I wash my hands, even in Florida. Y'all don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands because that's just nasty. All right? Now, remember, if you hear my grandbabies coming in here making noise and people in and out, it's okay. It's okay. All right? We're just trying to get everybody fed. Okay? All right. So, is that everything I meant to tell you guys? I think it is. Let me rinse off all of this meat, and then we're gonna get it cooked up, and this shouldn't take long at all. Does it? I just decided we doing something simple. I guess we need folk to dig in now because it's gonna get soggy. With the Look who is the first one in the kitchen. The first one.
That looks
It smells so good.
Does
it's
it?
like the
Is this the pepper jack?
yeah.
Nana BK, did you get something to eat?
Okay, wash my hands.
Did you get something to eat? Did you get? Nana see.
Oh, I'm gonna try
Say
this part right
hey,
here.
baby.
I'm gonna wash my hands with it.
Ooh, you had a milk mouth. You had a milk mouth. Yes, you do. You had a milk mouth. Was it good?
She ain't drink it.
She did.
She over there playing.
She just wanted to be in somebody's arms.
You see, I just wanted to cuddle.
Just wanted to cuddle.
Bye.
All the men folk are outside. Steven laying over there asleep.
Oh, you got a good one.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. What?
Mm-hmm.
Looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Steven, you gonna wake up?
Stay over there.
She's talking about stay over there.
We can get plates now.
Sure. Yes. I know, right?
Okay.
Sure.
I don't really want to stop, but for you, I will.
Why it looks like it's gonna hit the floor?
I'm not about to let it long.
You know, nobody, she ain't gonna let that hit the floor.
No, I am not.
But you, I will.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Get out my video. Oh, they done seen you already. Move, cousin.
He talking about
You know, how we doing?
Our hair is alike.
How we doing? You know, I hope y'all having a good.
Move your shoulders.
Listen, you
they
can't
so
see over your
broad.
shoulders, dog.
You silly. Go on ahead. Is it good? You gave none of the thumbs up. You just gonna eat all the meat off the Doritos.
It's so awesome.